Okay, Kev.
What position are we?
You're P1, mate.
You're kidding.
I am not kidding.
You're kidding. You're kidding me.
It's lights out and away we go. Verstappen gets an excellent reaction. Hamilton, though, is ahead of Perez, but not for long.
Sorry about that, guys.
Don't sweat it, Lewis. It's going to be a long hot race.
Incredible that he could be apologising too early. Fernando Alonso is going round the outside there of the Toro Rosso of Danny Kvyat, and they almost bang wheels, and Alonso just had to back out of that one again. Kvyat's never a man to back out of a challenge.
My tires are gone off. I'm heavier than a freaking boat. Guys, you need to be in a new car. We need a new car.
Norris and Gasly really going for it here. Norris is up to 6th place. Gasly will try and fight that back, but I don't think he's going to manage it in the braking zone. No, he's not.
Now maximum concentration.
We have a lot of understeer front race.
Okay, but you are definitely the fastest car on the track now, so let's keep like this. Come on, let's pass him, you can do it. Come on.
Unacceptable. I cannot believe I'm coming at 320 and it's...
I think now that this place is good, we're looking at plan A plus 5, plan A plus 5.
You are not giving me useful information. I need the pace of Magnussen.
Okay, Lewis, this is critical time in the race now, so just give it everything you got. I know you're pushing hard. Give it to it, Bono.
It might be a two-horse race, Crofty, but it looks like it's shaping up to be a real head-to-head, doesn't it?
It certainly does.
What a...
He's wide. He's really wide. Bottas goes very wide indeed, and Verstappen almost takes him on the exit of Rivazza. Now, that lunge that Verstappen put in has now caused him just to back off a little bit, and I wonder, even though he's going to get DRS, can Bottas manage to stay ahead here as Verstappen finds a slipstream, gets a good toe, now tries to go round the outside and does get ahead of Valtteri Bottas. It's not a Mercedes 1-2 now. Verstappen has put his Red Bull into 2nd place.
What a idiot! What a idiot!
Okay, let's close that gap as much as you can. It's hammer time. And drinks.
I don't need drinks. You know, there is just enough concentration to keep the car on the track, you know.
Being a loser is very important. I can't look after the tires and walk to death.
Okay, drain the battery, drain the battery. Final lap, this is it.
It's now or never for Sergio Perez, and he was told a while back he's going to come down to the last lap, and it is coming down to the last lap.
So last chance then, DRS between turn 3 and 4, here we go. And then I don't see an opportunity.
Max Verstappen, for the first time in his career, takes victory in Italy.
Nice work, Lewis. And an awesome recovery. Great battle back to V2.
Lewis, super drive. We're leading the championship.
Awesome job, guys. My apologies for that mistake earlier on.